Hi guys, I'm back with a new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you a legit way to get Delta Executor on your iOS and Android devices. So as you can see guys, I'm using this executor and I have all the options here guys enabled in my Delta Executor. So let me show you guys quickly how you can get this on your phone. So for that, what you have to do, just open any browser on your phone and go to this website. Go to this website guys, apkcrunch.co. Now hit the search button. Okay guys, now go to the search section of this website and search Delta here. Search Delta. Now guys, hit the search button. Now guys, click here. Okay guys, so here on this page there is two buttons to download. First button is download for Android and second button is download for iPhone. If you are using an Android, so click on the first button, but currently I'm using my iPhone, so I'm gonna click here on the download for iPhone button. Now guys, click here on verify and continue button. Okay guys, so here on this page what you have to do, follow and complete the instructions of any two offers below to finish the downloading process. So here guys, on this page you have to follow and complete the instructions of any two offers. You can choose any two offers guys. For example, this one, Modo Casino, World Winner, any two offers. And remember one thing guys, offers can be different for different countries. So let me show you guys quickly by completing one of the offer here, how you can do this. So for example, here is an app guys, Family Island. Download and reach level 11 to unlock this content. Click continue. Okay guys, so here I have to install this Family Island farming game on my phone and I have to reach to the level 11 in order to follow and complete the instructions of this app. The same way guys, you have to follow and complete the instructions of any two offers from that list, and after that you can successfully get that Delta Executor on your iOS and Android devices. So thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye, take care.